Look at that, Russell Wilson. That's fire. Myles Garrett. Mike Evans. Ooh, these are cool. Love Optic. Trayvon Williams. Optics are nice. Optics are very nice. We'll wait a bit. See if anybody wants to come in. How many packs left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs left. Okay, so I guess we'll open this. Maybe even 8. Let's see what we got. James Conner. Ooh, J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt. Tony Pollard. Rated rookie. Sean Murphy Bunting. Sean Murphy Bunting. Very nice. Very nice cards. Very, very nice cards so far. Got 8 packs left. Bum, bum, bum. Of course, when I go to rip a pack, no one's joining. Alright, number 3. What's that? Jalen Ramsey. Adrian Peterson, AP. Ooh, that's nice. Drew Sample, rated. Got a rookie card. Saquon Hampton, rookie. And this. Go ahead. Whoever wants it, go for it. Alright, let's see. Anybody active right now? Come on, MG. Where you at? Just sending some invites to people. Wait just a little bit, and then we'll keep it going. Everybody, have you heard? Alright, next pack. Here we go. Aaron Donald. Zay Jones. Elite Series rookies, Hakeem Butler of the Cardinals. LJ Collier, rookie card of the Seahawks. pretty nice ones. Nothing that stands out too much just yet, but we still got 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left, everybody. 6 packs left. 6 packs left. All right, here we go. Hey, another code. Another code for y'all. We got a Dak Prescott. Let's see if I can close that. Dak Prescott. What up, Cincy? What up, MG? I'm just opening some Optic, Donruss Optic football mega box. Glad I got some people in here. Keenan Allen. Ooh, Daniel Jones. Rated rookie. That's a nice one. That's a cool one. Tyree Jackson. And then, I don't know if you guys want to do this. We got 1, 2, 3, 5 packs left. 5 packs left. I think the biggest thing we got right now is that Daniel Jones. Let's see what else. What else we can get. Stephon Diggs. Tariq Cohen. I love the look of these cards. Woo! Look at that one. Dexter Lawrence. Oh, snap. Titans. Yeah. Jeffrey Simmons. I'm a Titans fan, so. Love going out to the Titans. How's your guys' day going? Hopefully it's going fantastically well. Hope you're all having a scrum-diddly-umptious day. Garyon Conley. Ooh, Lamar Jackson. Nice. I bought it to break yesterday and got Pelicans for $10. And no Zion's that box, but next box I didn't have Pelicans. Oh, that sucks. Sorry, Cincy. Hey, man, I still got some spots open for the Mega Box. Join that. You might get something. And with that one, you get the whole box. Oh, what's that? Look at that. Oh, come on. Oh, you guys can barely see it, but it's like a little crease there. Alvin Kamara. And Devin Bush II. That sucks, though. Sorry to hear that, Cincy. Sorry to hear. But yeah, it's 15 for 2 spots now on that Mega Box Raz. Closing it tonight, no matter what. 4 spots left. I thought about doing something like, if somebody buys the other 4 spots, I'll give them $10 credit to whatever Raz or whatever we do later on that they can use until it's gone. Terrell Suggs. Oh gosh. Minka Fitzpatrick. Oh, this is a nice looking one. Ezekiel Elliott. Like the color on that. Ezekiel Elliott. Nasir Adderley. And if you guys want to do the code. Ooh, 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. Come on, let's go. Fire, fire, fire. Come on. See some fire. Let's see some fire. Justin Tucker, kicker. Any kicker collectors out there? Michael Thomas, wide receiver. Drew Sample, Cincinnati. Is going to be the autograph, the bronze auto. Drew Sample. Ooh, Kyler Murray, look at that. Dope. Kyler Murray of the Cardinals. And then if you guys want the code again, put that up on the screen for a little bit. Right on. Alright, guys, last pack. Last pack! Oh my gosh! Here we go. Let's see if we get something cool. You never know, right? You never know. Oh, there's something in there. This is heavy. Larry Fitzgerald. Ooh, nice Saquon Barkley. Oh! Derrick Henry? Ooh! Ooh, Donruss Threads, Derrick Henry. Nice. That is awesome. That's super cool. Dang, I love that. He's been a beast. And then Ed Oliver. What's up, RKO? Coming out of nowhere again. Just finished ripping open this. We got a beast. Donruss Threads, Derrick Henry. Yeah. That's so fire. That's so fire. Such fire. I'll go through the other stuff we got. Our bronze, I'll show the bronze autographs as well. These damn relics and stuff, memorabilia don't fit in the sleeves I got. I need to get bigger ones. Gotta get them bigger. I just gotta get it in there. Oh well. I'll just put it up like this for now until I get something going. Got that Derrick Henry. Let's see what else. Let's go through it. Get that autograph. Ed Oliver. Saquon Barkley. Larry Fitzgerald. Got a Kyler Murray. Rated rookie. Got Drew Sample. Got a Drew Sample. Just a sample of Drew Sample with his autograph. Drew Sample Auto Bronze. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got Michael Thomas. Justin Tucker. Nasir Adderley. Ezekiel Elliott. This one's a nice one too. Really like that one. Minka Fitzpatrick. Terrell Suggs. Devin Bush II. Alvin Kamara. I guess for the mega boxes, I could probably set up a team thing. See how that goes. Maybe the next one after this Raz. Lamar Jackson. Garyon Conley. Zeke numbered? Doesn't look to be so. No number. No number on that one. Dexter Lawrence. Tariq Cohen. Stephon Diggs. Tyree Jackson. Oh, this was another pretty good one. Daniel Jones. Put that guy up on the stand too. See if we can get him. Oh God! See if we can get these guys in there. Oh, they're kind of not all in it. Oh well. Oh well. We got a Keenan Allen. Dak Prescott. L.J. Collier. Hakeem Butler. Zay Jones. Aaron Donald. Saquon Hampton. Got another Drew Sample, just a regular. That's funny. Adrian Peterson. AP. Jalen Ramsey. Sean Murphy Bunting. Tony Pollard, rated rookie. J.J. Watt. James Conner, Trayvon Williams, Mike Evans, Myles Garrett, and Russell Wilson. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. This, of course, is my favorite out of all of them, being a Titans fan. Whew. So cool. So cool. So awesome. That was nice. I like that. That was fun. It was a nice opening. Still trying to get people into the mega box. Probably just gonna stand where it is right now. That Raz. So, got a pretty good chance, RKO, to win. Got a pretty good chance. But yeah, that was a cool one. That was a nice, nice break right there. Very nice break. Dang, look at all these. Dang, that's 40 cards. Oh, plus those, but that's 40 cards. I think that's how much the Mega Box is. Oh, the Mega Box is 60. I should have just done a team thing. I mean, that's enough to do a teams. Look at that. 60 would be more than enough to do that. Oh well. Oh well. Next one, right? Alright, guys. I'm going to end this live so I can put it up on the story. And then I might go live here soon. Just a chit-chat. Just a chitty chit-chat. Might post these up first. Alright, everybody. I will see you guys in a little bit. Take care.